It's meant to help save the life of someone suffering from an overdose.
A new regulation in Kentucky will let pharmacists sell Narcan, which reverses the effects of a heroin overdose over the counter. Sam Smith tells us how people will be able to get the medicine.
Lawmakers say this emergency regulation gives more people access to the life-saving drug Narcan. The medicine counteracts the effects of heroin. The measure filed last week allows pharmacists the option to sell Narcan without a prescription.
But it's not as easy as just, say, going and picking up Tylenol or ibuprofen. It's going to be very similar to the process by which you pick up Sudafed, where you have to sign for it, get counseling for it.
In March, an anti-heroin bill was signed into law, offering more treatment options for users and tougher penalties for traffickers. It also gives local governments the option to set up needle exchange programs to stop the spread of blood-borne diseases.
And it's an opportunity to intervene in a positive way to try to lead to better outcomes.
Heroin abuse is a battle being fought all over the country. These new measures are tools expected to help win the fight in Kentucky.
It's the equivalent of a life ring beside the pool. It's not going to prevent every drowning, but hopefully it can save lives so we can pull people out and maybe get them the help they need.
Now, in order for a pharmacist to sell Narcan over the counter, they'd have to come up with a policy, and that policy would have to be approved by a doctor. In Frankfort, Sam Smith, the Fox 56 10 o'clock news.
UK healthcare will offer Narcan kits to patients treated for overdoses.
Kentucky is the first state in the nation to take this type of step.